Welcome to my quick tutorials on how to recreate everything from simple shapes to complex effects. Subscribe to my channel today and start learning. In today's video we will recreate this poster with the help of Blend tool. Let's begin. First we make an A4 artboard and with the rectangle tool draw a rectangle for the background. I have selected 3 colors for my poster and I copy-paste it to my document. With the background selected, I use the eyedropper tool to apply the darkest color to the background. Now I lock the background with the lock icon in the Layers tab so it does not move and not selectable. With the Text tool, I make a box for the text. Now we choose a font that has a very thin lines. I write 2023. You can make this effect with any character you want. With the text box selected and exited from text editing mode, we go to Objects in the menu and select Expand. Now we have the shapes that we need for the effect. I change their color and size to make them more pronounced. Now I want to edit every single shape, so I go to Object menu, select Ungroup. I move the first number and scale it horizontally so it shrinks a little. Because I wanted an exact percentage on the scale, I used the Scale tool in Object menu and Transform. Now in the Object menu and Transform, select the Shear tool. Shear the shape vertically at 30-degree shear angle. Now I use the Move tool to make copies at exact distances. And color them with the eyedropper tool. For the Blend 2, I rearrange the shape layers so the first one is the top one and so on. With all the shapes selected, open the Object menu and in the Blend option select Make. As you can see, there is not enough shapes in the middle, so go to Blend Options in the Blend and change the spacing to specified steps and increase the steps. Now in the Layer tab we open the blend group that we created and select each layer to adjust their opacity. I make the middle one 30% and the end one 0% to give me this effect. And you can change the position of the middle one to make the effect looks different. Now we repeat the same for all the other number. We arrange our letters so there is some hierarchy in the poster and some space left for the text that we want to put in. Now I made copy of the background and paste it in front. Hold down the Control or Command key to select the blend layers and the rectangle on top. Go to Object menu and Clipping Mask and select Make. I rearranged the numbers so it's more to my liking. And make text box at the top for my text with a small and medium weight for the font. And finished. Play with different shapes and settings to create something new. I hope you enjoyed my video. Subscribe for more videos like this.